はい、こちら、アプチャーのブースになります。やっぱね、一番真ん中のセンター、一番前にあるのは売れ筋商品だと思われるんですけれども、結構ね、こういう、ストーム1200とかね、こういう1200ワットクラスの照明がシネマなんかでは結構一番使われていると聞いてますね。Could you introduce your new products?
Have we introduced new products? We have a couple of them. So primarily, the main one is going to be the CS32. CS32 is going to be a full spectrum fixture that we carry, and additionally with this unit, it's going to be currently here in the States. It's going to be come with two cables that we have in the past, 3200 watts. It's a 4K HMI replacement. And what's nice about it is that in the ecosystem with the Aputure mount, the A mount, with the Storm XT26, you can utilize the existing accessories that we've released for those. So the CF16, the parallel beam 70, plus the reflectors, they all work with them. Smaller control box.
Oh, this is a control box.
Smaller control box. And as I mentioned, it is full spectrum. So it is BLAIR-CG. So in the event you want to add more color to certain things, specific gels, you want to reproduce a specific gel, you can do that with this fixture as well. IP rated, IP65. So.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Show them off last year. So we've released new Novas. Those are the NOVA IIs. We've got the 2x1 and the 1x1. Plus we also have the 9 degree. So if we were to walk over here, I can show you those. So this is our previous light fixture, the Novas.
Nova.
They were a soft front. They were not a native hard light fixture. So each individual set of diodes, those are going to have their own lens system. We can also swap out diffusions. We can add diffusions on here, and they are stackable. So I could put on the diffusion that it would normally come with in the package.
Oh.
And actually, thank you. Yeah, snap this off here. And that is how that will connect. So, and on top of this, now I still have the connections to where I can put the barn doors on. Okay. Also, IP65. So these can go out into the rain, or into a place that may exhibit dust. And on the back side, these will all include NFC. So if you are looking to connect them, put them in an array, you don't have to turn on every single unit when you're setting them up. And then onto the 1x1, which we have right over here, we'll have the half-size version. This technically is the equivalent of what we had in our original P600C in output, and it is much smaller than the original version. And with that being said, you're able to do a lot more with less. So when you're taking these out into the field, you can save a lot of space in a vehicle. These can be daisy chained via power. So in the event you are putting them in an array up on a grid, you can have one individual power supply, up to 3, because they're each 500 watts. So each one of these is 500 watts, and then the 2x1s are 1,000 watts. Okay. On each corner, you'll see that we also have mounting solutions
おー
on here for rigging. In the event that you need to ensure that you either need to do a safety cable, or if you would like to put baby pins on them and rig them in specific ways, you've got a lot of different options there. And then this also will take us a new softbox that we've released, and that is in conjunction with DLP Choice, so that you can have an industry standard diffusion. And then the last thing is our NOVA 9 degree. The NOVA 9 degree is currently in a 3-light array, and you can see the beam that we're sending up to the ceiling there. It is very uniform. It is acting as if it is one individual fixture.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
すごい。